second side of those challenges and pain points that I've been discussing over these last 2 days is about the agent churn and all the difficulties on retaining good agents in place, hiring new talent, which is a really challenging thing nowadays, training those new hirings, onboarding them. That's a pain point. And I completely understand that. It's really difficult to get good people and retain that people. So what we can do in order to make sure that we can at least support those companies in those 2 pain points. My answer, and that's going to be my presentation today, I'm going to walk through some insights that basically what we are trying to say as Verbio is technology and AI and voice AI can help and can release some pressure on those 2 pains. Our approach as a company is not that AI should replace absolutely everything, voice AI should replace absolutely human agents. That's not our approach. Our approach is, if you have in place the right technology to support your people in your contact center, the result is going to be much better than not having that, because technology, voice AI, can provide some things that you cannot provide just with human agents. And that's our approach.